Hello, my amazing people. Hello, fashionista family. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine. I hope you are doing great wherever you are watching this video from. In this episode, I have brought together a combination of beautiful, stunning, super classy, and super exotic Ghanaian kente dress designs. You'll be seeing lots and lots of kente styles that you can rock for your engagement ceremonies, for wedding ceremonies, for your graduation ceremonies, to church, and to other social events. Do let me know what you think about them in the comment section down below, and I'll be super excited to reply your beautiful comments. If you enjoy watching this video, do want to give it a thumbs up and share the video with others so they get to see this amazing styles collection. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Prestilexum of Fashion, where you get updated on the latest and trending fashion styles. You also get to see amazing hairstyles collection on this channel. If these are the kinds of videos that you love and enjoy watching, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when I upload a new video on the channel. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and I thank you also as you consider subscribing to my channel. I am super excited. I'm super glad to have you here with us. So I'll see you all in my next one. Always remember to stay glued, stay connected to this channel for more beautiful styles are coming your way. Have a lovely day and stay safe out there. Bye.